Hey, what's up everybody? This is John from The Road Less Traveled with another unboxing of a Level 8 bag. This time, it's the 28-inch Voyageur series. As always, with a Level 8 bag, it comes with a very nice little container bag here that you can actually take with you and use for, laundry or something like that when you're on the road. That's what I used it for. Wow, this is a super, super light bag. They say it's less than 12 pounds, so for a check bag, that's pretty light. And there's the TSA lock that all Level 8 bags come with. This is my third Level 8 bag, and one thing that impresses me about their line is the German-made polycarbonate construction. This stuff is tough. I have taken it through jungles and on boat docks and ridden it on top of travel vans through the jungle. So I know that this is gonna be a very hardy bag, regardless of the fact that it's beautiful. It's got handles on the top and handles on the side and the top. I don't know too many bags that have that many handles. Of course, it's got the famous Level 8 wheels, which I have tried out. It was kind of like ice skating through the airport. That's the way I put it. This bag features another Level 8 custom design thing, which is this wide handle. I like to put my backpack on my rolly bag and sort of use it as a luggage caddy. I wasn't sure how I was gonna do it with this, but the travel hack I figured out was you take your bag, you place it sideways. But we gotta open up the bag to see why that wide handle is a good thing. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. This is wet, dry luggage storage, which is always fantastic. If I'm on a snorkel trip or something and I've got wet clothing that hasn't dried, I can put them in this watertight silicone compartment right here that will keep your wet stuff away from your dry stuff. And if you look at this, no rails in the bottom here. It's perfectly flat. You could put anything in there, documents, photo equipment, snorkel equipment, all that can go flat as you're packing, which a big deal for me. I know that some people might not think of it, but that is always an issue for me when I'm traveling. This is a clamshell style, microfiber. The stitching looks pretty tough. We've got two full luggage compartments. We've got one on top, we've got the laundry bags, and then the rather large packing area here. I had never thought of my luggage in terms of liters until my first Level 8 bag on my last trip. It was a 41 liter bag. That got me through 10 days in city and jungle travel. This is 99 liters, so that's more than twice the storage. I'm guessing I could probably pack for a month in this bag. Now the rule for me is the longer you go, the less you pack, because you can do washes. Given my past experience with Level 8 bags, I can say with confidence that this is a great bag and I look forward to using it. If you've got any questions about it, leave it in the comments and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the road less traveled. Use the links and discount code in the description at checkout and get an additional 20% off until June 26th.